Hi Max, quick screencast to just run through this compliance. So I'm just going to scroll through. I had a quick look. There was just a couple of things really. So keep going. Mainly the lines. That's all fine. So there seems to be an extra line there. I think it's because it's a section. So look, that's probably okay. I don't know if a space could be introduced. How much page is there? There's enough page down here. So maybe we could just put a bit of a space there so that they're not together. This one here, please provide details. So probably a couple of lines for that one. Maybe that big line needs to come down and then some lighter lines. Were you out of pocket through the year? Yeah, I don't know how much. I'll let you gauge how much details people would need to provide there. Maybe it's not that much, but at the moment, yeah, it's really typing in there. Moving on, this page is, yeah, there's not a lot of room at the bottom, so if that's got to be where it is, that's fine. If that's got to be like that, fine. If we can do anything, that'd be great. That line there, any other work? Okay, that's the end of the section before. So it's already spilling onto another section. But then we have this whole gap here. There's not really need for that gap. I don't know if we can reduce the line spacing on this page just to get it all on one page. That'd be great. And then depreciation, we wouldn't need that line if this was taken up. We could just start off depreciation. Those lines should be probably lighter lines. Once again here, maybe some more room for that one. There is a little bit of room. That is certainly going to come up, so you would have room. So this one here, that would come up to the next page into that one because of before. Lighter lines perhaps. So it's mainly just the lines really, everything else looks okay. It looks quite neat. And yeah, I'm looking at the bottom, that's fine, you can't see it, but it's in a small window. So that's essentially it. Yeah, if you could make those changes, that'd be great, and send it back to me. Okay, thanks.